We are Maria Jose and Chase.
We've been traveling since 2018 with our dogs Pablo and Jake.
After Chase lost his job, we decided to hit the road.
So we bought an old school bus and converted it into our dream tiny home on wheels.
We had plans to travel internationally, so we sold the bus and bought a van.
But then the pandemic happened.
So we put those plans on hold and decided it was time to explore more of the United States.
We're sharing the highs as well as the lows of this amazing life on the road.
We would love for you to subscribe and join us along this journey.
What if we get snowed in?
We're gonna be stuck.
This is bad.
What if we get snowed in?
Your hair is insane.
I've been wearing a hat.
It's a Christmas miracle.
Merry Christmas!
Snow miracle.
Merry Christmas!
Yesterday, you remember it was pretty muddy and like snowy and where we were staying in Arizona, and Chase made me walk with my sandals. And now he felt bad that he made me stuck them in mud. I got new boots.
How you feel about your new boots?
Oh, I feel like a new person. Let's go and scavenge around.
Yeah, it's 37. That's not my favorite temperature in the world. The heater's on.
You guys, this is probably not my best look, but it's like 6:30 in the morning or so, I don't know. And remember last night we told you there was a Christmas miracle? Well, we were not prepared for this Christmas miracle. It actually snowed all night, still snowing, and it's gonna snow for the next 2 days non-stop. We got to get moving because we're gonna be stuck in here with no solar, and Chase has to work, so no internet either.
This is really awesome and everything, but we weren't expecting it. And I'm afraid that we're gonna get stuck. This is bad. I don't know how we're getting out of here. This is some pretty deep snow, and it just keeps coming. Legitimately, we may be stuck here. Obviously, these are dirt roads, so they may be pretty muddy. Man, look at all this snow.
Trust us, we wanted to stay and get snowed in, but showing up for my final 2 days at Warby was high on my priority list, so we truly had to make the decision to move.
I don't know, but this thing did pretty damn well in the snow. I didn't want to say anything until we got out of it, but now that we're out of it, I can brag on it a little bit. Holy smokes.
We got out of
We
there
crushed it!
Yes!
We crushed it! It had no issues.
Good job, babe.
Good job, Chimney. What was that? What was that?
Talk too soon. It's raining. So, well, our plans have changed a little bit. We were planning on staying in Flagstaff a couple of days, exploring Flagstaff. Every single time we park there or we pass, we say, oh, we're coming back. And this was the time that we were gonna stay there for a little bit to actually get to explore it, because we got a lot of cool recommendations and it starts snowing, so we have to leave the place.
Well, not just that, but there's no service for me to work, and I have work the next 2 days, so.
Exactly. So, Chase has some work to do for the next 2 days that we need internet. That's why we decided to leave. We also have the P.O. box, if you remember. So we're heading back to Ehrenberg. I need to sneeze. Oi. Thank you.
Bless you.
And then from there, we're planning on heading back to Sedona.
we have a couple of friends that are gonna share their location with us. There's an art show going on Sunday, so we will be heading to the art show and bring you guys along with us as well. After a 3.5 hour drive, we finally have made it to Ehrenberg. Ooh, you're dirty. Much better. And it feels great to be here.
Yeah, it does.
We are in a little peninsula. This is a new peninsula. Wow, baby, your hair.
We're about to take showers. We're heating the water right now.
Lately, you look just wow. Wow, 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 wow. Are you a model?
I am.
You are a model, baby.
I'm a model on the internet. I have an Instagram.
But I'm here to tell you that we're gonna be here for a couple of days, right? So my plan is to give this van a well-deserved clean. This is disgusting, guys. Like, if you know me, only if you know me, you know that I'm a clean freak. Every morning I wake up and I have my little ritual where, is that how you say ritual? Wow, great English. Where I like clean the floors, vacuum, like dishes are always away. We haven't do laundry in probably, it has been 10 days. Let me just show you how this van is looking. I need to dust and rearrange, and I think it's a perfect time to show you how quickly a small space can get dirty, but how quickly we can clean it too. Boom! Chase is gonna be working on the computer. So this is all you and me. Let's start from the beginning. Boxes, we have to get rid of it. Well, there's only one straw dirty, but all of that needs to be clean. This is way too full and messy, so all of that needs to be rearranged and dust. Fridge needs to have a deep clean. Look at these. Look at these. Well, you cannot see them. But promise me, there's some dust in there. Drawers, mess. Cabinets, mess. These, look at these. Can you see the dust? Look. Again, you cannot see my finger, but I promise. Oh, maybe this is a good spot to show you how dusty it is. There you go. There you go. That's what we're breathing. No wonder where I always have allergies. Dirty bathroom from mud that we carry from our shoes. Mess in the back. Everything just needs a good clean. Oh, and because I'm so short, it's so hard for me to see these. Whatever, Chase. Do you see that nasty? I know some of you might think there's no way they keep their van that clean all of the time, or they only clean or move things around for the photos. But the truth is, there's absolutely no way either of us can be comfortable with the van being dirty. So it really is clean every day and deep clean often. Last time you saw us, we were cleaning the van, which I didn't finish. That's why I didn't finish showing you the final product. But after a couple of beautiful days here around Quartzsite area, it's time to get back on the road. And we're heading to Scottsdale. What are we doing in Scottsdale, Chase?
We're gonna go support our friend Amber, who makes really awesome jewelry.
There's an art show in Scottsdale today. We're a little late already, but you know, it's not to Aventura if you're not a little late. Venezuelan time, baby. Have you ever heard of Venezuelan time? Chase sure has. What's Venezuelan time, Chase?
So, the day that Mariza and I met, we agreed to go out. You guys may already know that. Anyway, she told me to pick her up at 6:30. I was there at 6. She wasn't ready until almost 6:40.
Or 7:40, I'm sorry.
Que mentiroso, Chase. You're such a liar.
I waited
It
for
was
like
in
an hour
2
and 20
hours.
minutes. I waited for like an hour and 20 minutes. So maybe it was like, what, 7:10, 7:20?
Chase, it was still light out. He is such a liar. Oh my goodness. You probably waited 20 minutes max. But not anymore. Now he's the one who always keeps us late. He is in Venezuela on time.
No, I was ready early today, but then you told me to fly my new toy.
You guys need to check out this place with Chase's new toy. He's practicing, okay? So don't be too harsh.
Yeah, don't be harsh on me. This is way different.
This is hard.
Off to the Scottsdale Affair we go. We wouldn't have missed showing up to support our friend Amber and her amazing jewelry. She's currently replacing the engine in her van, so if you'd like to show some love to her as well, the link to her Etsy shop will be in the description box below.
We are in Sedona, and this looks like the city. There's so many people around here, but we found a spot with some friends. I'm about to make some dinner because, well, we haven't had any lunch and I'm starving. And that's pretty much all. Some days to relax before I head on my trip. Have
you even told them?
I don't think I've ever told them. How's food?
Super good.
Let me see how you eat that. Friends, welcome to Sedona. We are around incredible people and I'm super excited to show you their rigs. We have another van and a beautiful bus. Like, as soon as I saw the bus, I was like, maybe we should get another bus. You know? Just so like, I have the bus and Chase has the van. Today, Jake actually set up this beautiful station and made us all coffees. And you know, we love a good coffee, so that's what we're doing. Enjoying a nice day outside with some oatmeal coffee.
Hey guys, we're the Millers with That Miller Life. You can check us out on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and this is our home. We built this bus. It took us about 1.5 years, and we've been traveling the country in it, and we are super excited to share it with you. Come on inside.
Hey guys, how's it going? We're Jake and Heather with Go and Live Free. This is our 2008 converted Sprinter van. We've been on the road for a little over 6 months now. We absolutely love it. I don't know. This
Life on the road.
A life is a dream, baby. Check out our home.
Okay, let's figure out dinner. It's chilly now. I can make mashed potatoes. I can make tofu. Let's do it. Let's go. What is going on in this house? Hello. You ready for dinner? Are you gonna help me?
I can. Come on, let's do it.
Let's do it.
I always enjoy sitting here in the bathroom, which I consider to be the best seat in the house while Marose cooks. Because one, I can show it off, what she's cooking, but then two, I'm right here to where I can smell it. And it smells delicious, primarily right now, the tofu.
What the heck is this?
It was supposed to rain, which, you know, I guess it's worse. This is much better. Snowing. It's a Christmas miracle.
Oh my goodness. Look at the snow on the mountains.
Could you see it?
Yeah.
It's cold.
The snow.
I guess one day you have like 80 degrees and the next one you have snow.
Yeah.
That's how Arizona works. And the snow came and everybody left. And we stayed. We're probably gonna head out today too. We're coming back to Sedona. We need to go and get some packages on our P.O. box and probably spend a couple of days around that area because it's probably going to be nicer than here. And then we're gonna come back to Sedona to meet up back with Jake and Heather.
We've really started to embrace the bad weather, the winds, the snow, and the rain. We can't help but imagine how totally different the landscapes we love so much would be without their presence.
We have also recently started incorporating gratitudes into our day. So I think it's important to share a few. We're so grateful that each one of you exists. We're grateful for the ability to explore, and we're grateful for the friendships we have made along the way. We love you, amiguis.
So the fire is totally dead out, thanks to Marose. She's wrapping a...
Body pooper.
No. We went through all the wood, and it got a little too dead and a little too cold outside. She's wrapping up some editing, and we have a bright and early day tomorrow. So we're gonna go ahead and call it a night here, and we will see you bright and early in the morning. Good night, amigues.